graad 12, by hierdie som van, of die sigma notasies kan ons sien, dat ons die som van waarde het, and instead of asking get the sum of, they now ask the value of n. Want ek het die onderste kante, but I haven't got the top one, so they want the value of n. So the first thing I need to do is write out the first three terms. So I've done it here, substitute 4 to get 10. 5, 13, 6, 16. So the sum of gives me 1150. So let's get, we see that this is an arithmetic series. So the sum of is going to be n on 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So ek gaan nou al die waardes in vervang wat ek het. Die som van is, ek het nie vir n nie. Goed, ek het al reeds vir a, dis 10. Ek het nie vir n nie. So I'm going to keep n as the unknown and d equals 3. So if I take this to the other side of the equals to 2, dividing, if you multiply, it's 2,300 equals n. 20 plus 3n minus 3, and then if I multiply all of this out, I get the trinomial, and the trinomial is 3n squared plus 17n minus 2,300. Okay, that's factorizable, so I can factorize that, and I will get n minus 25, n plus 3n plus 92. As ons dit factoriseer, so daarom is n gelijk aan 25 of n is gelijk aan minus 92 op 3, wat ons nie in belang stel nie, because the position can't be negative. So n equals 25. But now I must be careful. N equals 25. I need the value of n. So, if I want to get the value of n, it's the bigger one minus the smaller one plus 1, isn't that? So, the value of n equals 25. So, I need the value of n. So, to get n, I first got to do this little calculation that I've taught you before. So, n equals 28. Goed. Onthou om dit te doen. Kom ons gaan kyk na hierdie ouetjie. Again, we've got the value of the sum of, but now there's an inequality. But we first going to treat it as an equality. So let's first write out the first three terms. Ons gaan insit vir 2, 3 en 4. If you do that, you get the first three terms as 32 plus 64 plus 128. Okay, so if you look at this, it's going to be again, it's going to be a ratio. So the ratio equals 2. Ratio equals 2. So I've got the sum of, and now it's a times r to the power of n minus 1 on r minus 1. So let's substitute. The sum of, I'm going to take is 34,000. En nou gaan ons a-waarde insit, dis 32. Ons r het ons uitgewerk as 2 tot die mag n, wat ek soek. En dan het ek 2 minus 1 wat 1 is. So nou kan ek doodgewoon die 32 oorvat en moet deel, 34.000 gedeel deur. Net kyk. 2 tot die mag n. Net gesien, 34.000. 34 equals 32, 2 to the power of n minus 1, 2 minus 1 equals 1. So ek kan 32.000 deel daarin en 32 in. So I'll get 2 to the power of n will equal 2127. 2127 divided by 2. So as ek dan los gaan gebruik om vir n uit te werk, gaan ek sê, n is gelyk aan die log van 2, van 2 en 2 is 7 op 2, en dit gee vir my 10,05, just above 10. So I need to know the term just smaller than 34,000. So 10.05 equals 34,000, so that will then be the term just smaller than 10.05. So that will be n. But now be careful. N is not the value of n. If I want to calculate n, it's going to be the bigger value minus the smaller value plus 1. So n equals n minus 1. That gives me 10. Therefore, n actually equals 11. Wees besigtig vir daai. Ons het 34,000 gedeel deur 32. Dit gee vir ons 226 plus 1 gedeel deur 2. So, make sure of the algebra over here, especially when you're determining the value of 8.